The way I found how to make a nice guard cheaper, and because I lose them a lot. If you go to the dentist, they do that for you for about $400. That is not bad. I did it with my hand, with few experiments. I'm getting better at it. This is a good one for me. The other one, this one is still, I'm still working on it. I will get it easy, cleaned up very with few trials. How do you do it? You get the glue sticks. These are glue sticks that you buy very cheap from Walmart and from any place. And this is the way they look like. And you get any container. Doesn't have to be. I just have those from. I bought night guards before, and I have a lot of them. I lose them a lot. Two of them from Walmart or Walgreen, about $18. I found a different way of making them cheaper. This is a glue, the glue sticks, and this is water, and this is a scissor. So the way I'm going to do it, I will force this here, and I put it in water and boil it for a minute, and then flatten it with a scissor in place, and then I put it in my mouth. I make an impression. It gets hot quick. Anyway, we just have put them in hot water until we got them in the shape of the mold, and we just put some water on them. Now, since we were able to bend the hard plastic, the glue plastic, we close it, put it back in the microwave. They won't to take too much now, maybe 20 seconds at most. We can melt them, half melt. Half melt is good. Once you get them out, you can shape them with this is my best tool. How many watts in this power microwave? That's 700 watts, so it's not a lot. Now, is it hot? It is hot. Is it good? Let me just get rid of all the water. It is hot. It is hot. So I can now shape it even with my finger. It's better to shape it. That is perfect. You can put it back again in the microwave. And then after you finish, you stick it in your mouth. This is almost done. Needs some work. I will put it more, just melt it more, and this will be the final shaping. This is almost done. I brushed it with my teeth. It doesn't look bad. Almost got it to final. we leave that for another day. We have two more here that are working because you keep losing them. You cannot just lose a $400 mouth guard. That's very usually you need this stuff at certain age. At certain age, you cannot just walk around without a mouth guard because of the breathing problem. How it looks, it doesn't look bad. It is melting now. You can see now. I can stick my teeth in it. I can stick my teeth in it now. My teeth will penetrate it right away. That's perfect. Of course, it's not going to be a perfect thing, but it will take away. Let me see if I can put my finger in it first before I put it in my mouth. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I can put it in my mouth now. It feels good in the mouth. Yes. All I need, this part right here, you can remove it with a scissor. But as you can see here, the teeth have a form in it, a very good form. When you stick it on the teeth, it doesn't look bad at all. Then you cool it down and you remove it when it dries, when it hardens. It is still soft. It might need to wait a little bit, but you can tell it is soft. So I need to wait until it dries so I don't cut it while it is hardening. It's good. This one is okay. This is I sleep with this at night. No, this is the best one I did so far. You can clean all this hard stuff, but you don't feel it. All this rough stuff, you can clean them either with a scissor or with a hot knife. Go around it, clean the plastic. This is a glue. This is how it looks when you get it out of the form. Still need to work on it a little bit, but you still can put that in your mouth with a lot of comfort around your teeth, a lot of comfort. I can clean all this stuff now and make it more artistic. This is the final ironing process. Just to smoothen the surface, the rough surfaces. I think that's very decent. That is very decent. You can sleep at night very well with this kind of comfort between the teeth. It's good. That's good.